After mid-June, there will be several interesting astrological occurrences. The first will be the second and final major outer planet aspect for 2023. This is the sextile of Jupiter and Saturn on June 19th. 2 days later, it will be followed by the summer solstice on June 21st. Since many of the planetary positions will be similar, it seemed more efficient to combine the two into one presentation. Let's first explore the sextile of Jupiter and Saturn. Unlike many other outer planet transits, this one will only happen one time. It will be 2037 before the next sextile between these two planets occurs again. Jupiter, at 7 degrees Taurus, 13 minutes, will form a sextile with Saturn at 7 degrees Pisces, 13 minutes, on June 19th. At 7 degrees Taurus, Jupiter is peregrine, so it is not the happiest placement for the planet. Jupiter in Taurus loves material things and enjoys the good life, maybe to the point of overindulgence. That overindulgence is at the expense of the spiritual nature of Jupiter, however, so something feels missing. Saturn in Pisces brings form to the formless. Saturn deals with structure, while Pisces doesn't like boundaries of any sort. The sextile of Jupiter in Taurus and Saturn in Pisces directs the expansion of Jupiter from the careful, structured viewpoint of Saturn. This provides a more balanced approach to the planetary energies, and those energies will be most helpful for investments and business opportunities. But caution is the watchword of the day. Select any potential opportunities only after a thorough review. On June 21st, the Sun enters the cardinal water sign of Cancer. In the Northern Hemisphere, the summer solstice is the longest day of the year. The solstices and equinoxes occur when the Sun enters a new cardinal sign. Each of these 4 cardinal signs is associated with a different season of the year. The cardinal axis is the most powerful in the astrological chart. It is associated with the ascendant, descendant, midheaven, or nadir. It also signifies the beginning of a new astrological season. The Sun wants to feel self-reliant, while Cancer feels it cannot survive without an emotional connection to others. Both are concerned with the question of personal identity. So the Sun in Cancer needs to understand that once you can address your emotional needs, you are complete. In the context of the summer solstice, since Cancer is a feminine energy and the Sun is masculine, it is a good time to balance those energies within yourself. With the stellium of the Moon, Mars, and Venus all in the fire sign of Leo, emotions, values, and actions will all be focused on being appreciated for our individuality and special abilities. The sign of Leo is ruled by the Sun, which has just transitioned into the sign of Cancer. Just as there is a mix of masculine and feminine energies represented in the solstice Sun, the stellium in Leo is a mixture of masculine and feminine energies. The Moon in Leo loves to be the center of attention. Venus in Leo can be charismatic, loving, and giving, as long as it is well appreciated. Mars in Leo wants to have the admiration of others, even though it must learn to truly express itself. With 3 of the 5 personal planets in Leo, this transit will have a focus on the self-identity and the need to be well valued. The Moon in Leo is square Jupiter in Taurus. Most aspects with Jupiter have a positive impact. This brief transit of Moon square Jupiter should help you feel benevolent and generous with those around you. Intellectually, you may explore the more spiritual side of life. Just be cautious not to appear too smug or arrogant in your words or actions, because others may be put off. Mercury in the air sign of Gemini is sextile Mars in the fiery sign of Leo. Mercury rules the intellectual sign of Gemini, so this is a powerful combination. You will have ideas and be able to express them effectively. The sextile with Mars in Leo brings the desire to put forth your ideas in a way that is appealing to the listeners. After all, Leo loves to be admired. With this sextile, you should be very good at communicating your thoughts. Your inner confidence in your ideas will help you take advantage of opportunities during this brief transit. The Sun at 0 degrees Cancer is positively shining its light on the universal lunar nodes this month. The Sun is sextile the North Node in Taurus and trine the South Node in Scorpio. These nodal positions represent the current transit positions. Unlike the nodes in your personal birth chart, these nodes represent the influences for the entire planet. In this case, the Taurus-Scorpio axis is about sustaining versus transforming energies. The theme of the past 18 months has been to move away from the dynamic transformation that the Earth has been experiencing and towards a more sustainable form. The focus of Taurus has been more directed towards material and financial needs to provide that sense of stability for humankind. In summary, on June 19th, there will be a sextile of Jupiter and Saturn. 2 days later, it will be followed by the summer solstice. The sextile of Jupiter in Taurus and Saturn in Pisces directs the expansion of Jupiter from the structured viewpoint of Saturn. Those energies will be most helpful for investments and business opportunities. But caution is the watchword of the day. Select any potential opportunities only after a thorough review. On June 21st, the Sun enters Cancer, and the Northern Hemisphere officially begins the season of summer. With the Moon, Mars, and Venus all in Leo, the focus will be on you, the individual, and the need to feel valued and appreciated. You may be feeling benevolent and generous to those around you. Intellectually, you may explore the more spiritual side of life. During this transit, you'll be able to express your ideas more confidently. That inner confidence will help you take advantage of opportunities that arise. Thank you for watching. If you would like to be notified of future videos, please subscribe and click the notify bell icon so you'll know when new videos come out. If you enjoyed the video, please click on the thumbs up icon.